And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Cha-Cha-Cha silver level routine with teaching count. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. And now let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1. Very good. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take open hold and start with lock step forward as preparation. We continue with open hip twist, but we end hip twist in close position. We continue to turn to left into reverse top, and we dance spiral into Aida with rocks and underarm turn to right. Then we dance shoulder to shoulder, and we finish in open position. Very good. Let's look once again from this angle. So we take open hold and start with lock step forward into open hip twist. We finish open hip twist in close position and continue turn to left into reverse top with lady spiral into Aida with Cuban rocks, chassé to left and ladies underarm turn to right. Then we dance shoulder to shoulder without hold, and we finish in open position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.